Hello, hello, come and play. Baby Dino's here today. Magic eggs are shining bright, filled with colors, fun and light. Everybody sing! Surprise egg, surprise egg. Shake it high, shake it low. Baby Dino smiles and says, let's learn colors as we go. Bring surprise egg.
Here's a red egg, shiny and round, sitting softly on the ground. Shake it gently, 1, 2, 3. A red baby Dino says, yippee! Rock!
Red, red, bright and bold, a happy color to behold. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Learning colors is a treat. Oh, it's okay, man.
Blue surprise, egg by the stream, sparkling like a lovely dream. Crack it open, what do we see? A blue baby Dino waves to me.
Blue, blue, sky so high, floating clouds go drifting by. Splash, splash, laugh with me. Blue is fun for you and me. Yellow surprise egg. Yellow egg shines like the sun. Learning colors is so much fun. Baby Dino jumps with cheer. Happy friends are gathered here.
Yellow, yellow, sunny day. Smile and dance and laugh and play. Twirl around, count to 3. Yellow shines so happily.
Green surprise egg! Green egg hides beneath a tree, waiting there so patiently. Crack it open, what's inside? A green baby Dino wants a ride. Green, green, leaves so bright, growing tall with all their might. Hot like frost and count to 4. Learn